We have reached another historical location in Chitradurga. Let's see what interesting facts we find there. Follow me. This is the location. There is also a historical cave over here, which we are about to get in. Now we are entering inside the cave. Actually, this cave is built by Kannada's first king, Mayuravarma. Chandravalli Caves. Chandravalli is an archaeological site located in Chitradurga district of Karnataka, India, which is about 1600 years old. Excavations at Chandravalli have revealed mud pots, painted bowls, and coins of Indian dynasties like Vijayanagara, Shatavahana, and Hoysalas. Mythology says this place was ruled by the king Chandrahasa, who was king of Kuntala. History says, and also there is a rock inscription of the first Kannada dynasty Kadambas founder Mayuravarma built this. The site contains housing complex with walls of bricks, covered stone drains, red gravel rammed floors, fireplaces made of bricks, etc. This is really an interesting and very amazing location which you must visit when you are in Chitradurga. Come, let's go inside and explore more. This is one wall which is used to do paintings. We see a bit of paintings done here. So the guide is saying this stand is used as brush stand while painting. So I can see a painting of something, a woman or something here. Isn't it very interesting? I'm literally sweating here because we are almost 20 feet down from the surface level, from the ground level. So this is like underground. There is one more way out here, trying to enter inside. Oh my god, I'm literally lost. This is kind of a bed over here. I think this is a chamber or a room, secret room. I'm literally lost. So we are literally bending down and walking.
ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಆಕೃತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಪಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ ನಾವು ದೇವ್ರನ್ನ ಪಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಉತ್ಸವ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಿಕ್ಕಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕುಳಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ರಾಜ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಯಾಕಂದರೆ
So this is one of the secret room of Swamiji and this is the entrance of it. It's about 2 by 2 feet. Look at me, literally drenched. I'm sweating like anything because there is no oxygen out here. There is no ventilation. So there is some magnificent structures here. Shiva? Daksha Brahma.
ಶಿವ ಪರಮೇಶ ವಿಗ್ರಹ.
So this is idol of Shiva and Parvati, completely demolished, maybe broken now. And if I see the walls here, the rock, there's more of moisture, water dripping down. Not sure from where it is flowing from. This is a room and also it's a bed where Swamiji used to sleep. And there's one more entrance here. I'm really literally scared to get inside because I'm not sure what is there inside. And there's a way out here. It's completely like a puzzle. Oh, look at this. This is done purposely because you'll have to put your left leg down to get down from here. So if enemies enter, let them get confused and fall down here so that they could be easily attacked. That was the intention of doing this. Oh my God. Can't see anything. I can see this concrete structure here. I hope I'm not lost here. Literally confused. Where are we entering and where are we exiting? If you come without guide here, I'm sure that you're lost. You cannot access to your Google Map or anything. There won't be anybody to assist you for sure. I also wonder, how did they make this concrete? How did they make this structure when there was no introduction of cement or also any other modern technologies to construct any structures? This is really great. This amuses me like anything. Let's go forward. So there is one hole done here. This space is used to keep all the lamps, light the lamps, and there are many like that all over. So now I'm sitting on a chair which is used as conference hall, where all the kings or all the representatives of all the kings used to sit here, have meetings. This is like completely new experience for me to experience this, and the story behind it. Feeling this location, it's like everything coming in front of my eyes. I'm lost now. I need to follow my guide. If not, maybe I'm lost. Let me follow my guide. Okay, now we are in a location. This is actually called as a Gurukula. Gurukula means it's a school. So here is the place where all the kids of kings used to study in this location. And also if you see this top portion, that is a treasury where they used to keep all these ornaments. It's a locker used earlier. That is what explained by guide. And this is further, and you can see one structure, one carving of Hamsa, that's swan, and also there is one peacock. These are the carvings, and there is some chakra and other carvings on the roof.
ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ರೀಸೆಂಟ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಳೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Oh, okay. Now I got it. So we entered from different location and exiting from different location.
ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್.
If you come without torch, you are lost. Look at this. You are lost. There is no way out. You cannot find a way out. This is one of the greatest location I explored in Chitradurga. I'm sure you shouldn't miss this at any cost. This finally we came out. Oops. I can feel the oxygen now. I can feel the cool breeze now. Wow. ಬಾಹುಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬಾವುಲಿಗಳ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಬಂದು ಮುಖ ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತದು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ
ವೈಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. I was literally lost. Best experience I ever had in any of the locations. This is a place, this is a cave actually, which is in Chitradurga, Chandavalli, Asota. I'll be sharing the location description and all the other details. You should visit this location, experience this, whatever I felt now. See you with another video. Keep watching Masala Chai Media. Bye bye.